My name is Frederica, and I get set up through the Department of Aging. And I've been using it now, I believe, since August. And it's been very beneficial to me because it's given me tools to on my that I didn't know I had on my iPhone. And I've learned different things um, that I didn't know and how to use my iPhone, like how to move the apps to different pages and or to group them together. I also learned about, Facebook and how you can have a wide variety of group and then you can just narrow it down to another certain group. And I also learned about Facebook Marketplace where you can sell items or buy items. I've also learned about finances. I've learned about traveling solo, and um, with that, I've learned about Wonderlog. And it's an app that you can put on your phone. You can either pay for it or you can get it free. And it tells you about different sites you can see at different locations that you plan on visiting. And you can also share it with friends. I also learned on my iPhone about location. Like when you go somewhere, you can set a time so that somebody, that your family member or friend can know that you arrived to your destination on time. What else have I learned? I've learned so much. I've learned about the Instapot. I've taken exercise classes for arthritis. I've even taken the hustle, which was very good. I hadn't done the hustle since I was in high school, and learned meditation, visualization, and also the vision board. Learned about all of those things, and I find them to be very helpful, especially meditation. That's a hard thing for me, but I'm working on it.